What'd you get, Mark? You beat me.
Put this in your video.
Oh, look at that. Mark.
Mountain Man. Treasures.
Well, I don't have a price on it, that's why I'm telling you. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good.
I've interrupted your cartoon time. I feel bad.
No, because I think they're selling that and
Oh, okay.
running so that people can see it's working. I'm thinking that's what he's putting in there for. And since we have grandkids, and that's who all our DVDs
Oh, sure.
are for, that's what we... Is that a camera on your chest?
It is. I've got a YouTube channel. Go to garage sales and sometimes estate sales, stuff like that. People like it's, I guess, kind of like American Pickers on TV, just a smaller YouTube version. That's cool. No markings or anything, but it's kind of neat.
Yeah. Listen, I've got to find my Aunt Pearl. She's supposed to be this weird kind of new age fortune teller type. Sort of, you know, crazy.
Debating whether that could hang in the mountain.
You don't happen to know her, do you? Yeah, babe. She's my mom. My dreams come true.
Well, these are cool. $1997. I might get these. I like them. I don't think they're quick movers, but they're super cool. These hand painted too? That is. That's cool. I like that a lot. Might get that for me. That's super cool.
What do you think, Linda? That's what he has.
I might get them because I think they're cool. I don't know about value, but we'll find out, I guess.
You always need one of those.
Yeah, John.
The pieces are all in there, I just didn't set it out.
Oh, sure.
Yes, you can.
Tell him no, make him carry it around.
Oh, come on, you love me. You know that.
If he wants it badly enough, he'll carry it all around.
I'm in trouble.
I'm gonna go stick it in the shed out there. He likes that.
You know, they're cool. Did you find them?
Yeah,
Those are awesome.
made in Japan. I've never seen a set quite like that.
No, they're just neat.
They're kind of cool.
Uh,
It's the Commonwealth picker bin. You suppose there's a pickle keeper in here?
Here. You got a pocket?
Well, yeah.
You don't want it right now?
No.
I'll take it.
These people are just evil. All right. Are you ready to count yours up?
I think so.
All right. Give me 1/2
You're-
a second
you're fine.
to put his stuff back in here, because if I don't put it where it belongs, I'm going to be in trouble.
I'll just collect mine when you're done.
Okay. I'm sure it's going to disappear today, so you're done. The offer's once.
So I got this guy underneath said 5, and then I had this on top here.
5, 10, 14, 16, 18, 20.
And then how much for that guy?
Buck?
Little Tupperware. $1, 21 bucks.
Yeah.
I can do
And
that.
it's just his, yeah.
I'm
21.
not sure if
sound
that
good?
goes with it actually, but
It might, but
I'll
we're
figure it
gonna
out.
pretend it does. Okay, does that work?
You don't want to figure out where it goes?
Nope.
It's a
I'm-
divider that comes
I'm
with the
Done
article.
figuring. My figuring brain went to sleep last night.
I don't blame you. I appreciate you.
Yeah, you have a great day.
You
Thank
too.
You for coming by.
What'd you get, Mark? You beat me.
Put this in your video.
Oh, look at that, Mark.
$3.
And Beaver State isn't as good as straight Pendleton, but I've sold that like that brand before. Does well. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right.
I'm gonna put that
Those are cool.
cat litter box in the shed. All the cat stuff. Get it off the shelf up there.
I think I might do that.
That's also a really good chair.
If you open that, you can see why it's a camera bag.
Yeah, it's got all the Velcro.
Yeah. Yeah, they all move around.
Yeah, that's fantastic. It feels like they're all in there. So
They are.
Yeah, that's almost new. A lot of the stuff is
They are.
some of it is new.
well, I will gladly pay you $5 for that.
Okay.
I'll take it out of your life and add it to the mess in my garage.
You can see we had a ton of them. Back in the days when we used to go hiking and,
Oh, sure. 3, 4. How about that? I think that's 5. You probably need ones, right?
yes,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Grilling set.
Morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Real good.
So that's the whole set. It's the
Okay.
spatulas, the grill, and the briquette.
You're trying to set somebody up for the weekend, aren't you?
Yes. It's Father's Day weekend.
I know. I got to get home, and I got ribeyes to put on the smoker when I get home. So.
Where do you live?
Yeah. I only got 4. There's only enough for me.
Well, I only need 2. How much for the headlights?
$5.
Okay. You got a little bit of everything out here today.
Yep.
And I see you staked out the donut table, which, well done.
So that stuff goes Montana Hope Project. Any money we get from the drinks, we've got soda in here.
Okay.
We've got coffee in the house. Donuts and chips. That all goes to Montana Hope.
Okay. And what is that? What is that?
So Montana Hope is Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Okay.
My sister was a recipient.
Okay.
So we're giving back to them.
Cool. Those little fridges are cool.
All these trucks, somebody's got to buy that for me.
PlayStation 50 games 5 for 110. Whole bunch of games or movies down here. I just sold this one for $3 used.
Yeah.
All right, I think I made a pile here.
Okay. Which ones you get?
I got to figure out what I owe you. The Grand Theft, is that the one that said 10?
Yep.
Is that
$10
right?
for that one.
Okay. 5 on the others?
For that
Yep.
one.
Okay, what about movies?
That Blu-ray's brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's Jurassic Park.
Jurassic World.
Okay. Let's do $250 on that. So
Okay.
we're at let's
10,
do
15, 16, 17.
bucks.
Okay, and then I do have another game. Is that 5?
Yep. So and the bear I'll throw in.
Okay.
So
23. How about 25?
how
And
about
then you can
25? Sounds good.
put the rest wherever.
I'll put it to the Montana Hope Project.
Sure.
That's where all our snacks and stuff.
Tell you what, here's 30.
Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it.
And I have.
Thank y'all.
Okay. So she's got your.
So a solid little batch of sales there. You know, nothing earth-shattering, no necessarily home run item in there. The game there at the end, the $70 game, that was pretty good. I mean, we paid up. We paid $10 for it. But even at those tables where you see stuff that looks like it's priced too high or at least priced up, don't just ignore it. At least take a look, because very often there are still things in there that can make you a profit. The best item in this set of videos actually found by Mark. And I'm thrilled to see him find that. He's a fantastic guy, a good friend, and a really good reseller. So cool for him to find that. He beat me to that sale by about 3 minutes. It was a little community sale, and he was like one house ahead of me. And I actually had to skip him to get ahead so that he wouldn't scoop me on stuff later down the road. And we were kind of hopscotching throughout the morning. I always enjoy the friendly rivalry with Mark, and very often he will leave stuff for me and I will leave stuff for him, you know, and so we don't have to fight each other. We can get along. There's plenty out there for all of us. So I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me for this one. There is, I do want to mention, a Whatnot auction coming up. My information is down in the description below. You can go on Whatnot and search for a user and follow me on there. It's MTN_MAN. We're going to do Funko Pops tomorrow night, Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern. I've got, I think it's about 20 of them that we're going to auction off. This is the first of 2, maybe 3, depending on how big we make the second auction. But I've got a good bunch of Funkos that we're going to be auctioning off, a pretty wide variety. Actually, let me just put the Whatnot preview video right here. Funko Pop auction coming up, guys. Lots of cool stuff here. Lots of different characters. Look at that. There's Hercules. Of course, that's the Kevin Sorbo Hercules from TV, but Hercules now entering into Marvel. There's Garbage Pail Kids. We've even got Kung Fu Kevin there. Red Miller from Mandy. We've got some PlayStation. We got lots of cool stuff, guys. Come on by. It's going to be a lot of fun. So there you go. 8 p.m. Eastern, Wednesday night on Whatnot. Come on by. And if you see something that you like, get it, hopefully, for a good deal. Guys, I appreciate you. We'll see you next time.